Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. And the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Microsoft Teams. And then on the main page, you can just click on See Plans and Pricing. And if you have already paid for it, then that's perfect. You can just sign in here at the top right, or you can click here. And then you can actually try it for free for a month, or you can buy it. Okay, so whatever you pick, let's say try free for a month, go ahead and sign up. And then all you need to do here on the left hand panel, click on this call icon, enter the number of the person you would like to call. And then all you need to do is just hit call. It's like a normal dial pad, right? Just call like you normally would on your phone. And then you can talk to people. So once you have contacts, you can just open their profile and just hit call, just like that. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.